Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy Zaletskyy and I'm co-founder and CTO of company AcuPower. Today I want to describe to you how you can overwrite Delegate or view Delegate for grid in page prepare replenishment. Why this may be an issue? Let's look on description. So this grid is implemented in graph in replenishment create. And if we go to that specific graph, here we can find out that view records it is created as processing. And if you look at processing itself, you will find out that processing is class which inherits from PX filter processing. So it is not typical Acumatica PX processing, but it is somehow modified PX filter processing. It means that if you want, for example, in your graph extension, create something like public enumerable records, and here to make yield return of some records or some other enumerable interface, this code will not work. So how to override them if you cannot override delegate? Another approach would be to use direct replacement of view. Here we have this direct replacement of view. So basically here I'm saying to Acumatica, please modify this view to return new PX view. And very important element here is usage of function pointer, how it is implemented. Here I have BQL command, which is basically a trivial select from, but I have also select delegate, which points to this method records1, which is basically returning of what I need. And here in PX view, take note that I have first parameter is graph, second parameter if it is read only or not, third parameter is select, and fourth parameter is delegate handler. Let me show you this in screenshot reader. So as I mentioned, graph, which is basically base, I mentioned if it is read only or not, then BQL command, and third part is delegate handler. And why it is kind of important, like here in my delegate handler I can have my own logic which I want. So based on this trick you can override plenty of cases when you see that Acumatica team for some or other reason refuse to follow their own guidelines and they use another C# tricks. If you find this video useful, feel free to subscribe, leave your comment, and it will motivate me to record other videos.